All right.
Here, gun on the wall. Gun on the wall. Gun on the wall.
All right. Stand back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
One down, one down.
Nice. All right. Nice, man. Nice. Switch sides. I moved too fast.
Dude, I was looking at one corner, and then I pushed, and then he pushed me right when I looked away, bro.
Yep, dude, I literally ran right up to this door, and he was waiting for me. Right here. I'm like, what the hell? I thought he was over at this corner. Where do you want to go? You go that way?
Go this way, and then...
Where do you want me to go?
I don't care.
You want me to do the same thing?
Yeah, if you want to push me, you can.
Push with you?
No, like...
Oh.
Push triangle?
Yep. Ready!
All right. Stand back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, this... Oh! We're good, Sam. I got him.
That's it.
Thank you. Where are we going?
Crazy run, by the way.
That was. Wow. You guys good? Nice. Okay. Dude, that was so close.
You shot me, but you missed.
I know.
So
I was so
lucky.
I saw it go right by you. I'm like, I lost my breath. I lost my breath, dude. I thought I had him. I'm like, no.
It went like this.
It went woo, woo. Yeah. Yeah. You want?
You can hold that really.
Yeah. You like going left? Okay.
All right. Stand back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Sorry, you okay? I'm sorry, dude. Ah! Who got it? You got it? Nice.
Good job, bro.
Nice.
Nice try.
You got it? Nico?
Yeah. Good job, man. So we're 2-1? Going left again?
What? Oh, no, never mind. You guys, you got the last kill on him. Yeah. Okay, it was good. No, you're right.
One more win. Where we go?
I'll go this way.
Okay.
I go straight for bridge and then
Yeah, dude, I'm going straight for mid every time. Is that what you're doing?
Okay, shit. No, I go mid, but I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah, I run straight to midfield. I'll go this way though. What I like to do is I like to come in.
Okay.
I'll go out and then come in and go.
Just
I'll stay to the left.
Just look at my body, bro.
Yeah, I know. You're all black. Yeah, we're all black. Can't miss it. Can't miss it, bro. We're all black. Can't miss
No,
it.
he hit me, but I hit him first. And then he kept pre-firing around the corner after him.
That's all right. Ready?
10 seconds in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rough tower, Sam. One under rough tower. Ah! Here, Charles, come here. There you go. Good game, man. You better hope Nico wins this.
I'm really frustrated with myself because I know I can do better.
Dude, you're going against some of the best airsofters in Arizona.
I know.
Remember that.
I just know I can do better. That's the thing.
But don't forget, you're also going against the best.
Yeah.
You've probably never seen this. To be honest with you. I think you're doing good, dude. You're doing real good. This is your first tournament, right? Yeah, dude. Don't worry.
I wanted that money too, man. I really
Hey,
want that money.
Nico still has a chance. If Nico wins this round, sudden death. All right? Keep your fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. I got it too, man. I got the money right in my pocket. I'm ready to give it out.
Dude, I'm really frustrated though because I'm pretty sure I hate your teammate.
Where's your camera?
Yeah, I know.
Ah.
I don't have one. I have one. It's just I don't have an out for it yet.
Damn.
I literally ordered it yesterday.
Ah, damn.
And it's at arrival today.
But it didn't need to show up
But
in
then
time.
it was delayed.
Ah, of
Because
course.
of the storm.
Yep, of course. See what? Oh, see? There you go. Good luck. One more. Sudden death. One more.
Sudden death. It's sudden death.
2 and 2. 2 and 2. Yep. We're 2 and 2.
Oh, bro, he was just sitting there the whole time.
I know. I saw that. He was just camping, spamming. I almost had him though. When I came up, once I got Charles out, I was going for him, and turned away for 1 second.
Yeah,
Oh, you want to go this way again? Okay. Yeah, you go left. Yeah. We're ready. Yeah, dude. All right.
10 seconds in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah. Sudden death. 60 seconds. 6. Where's Chase?
Nico and the other guy.
Chase. Where's Chase?
Here's running it back.
Run it back?
No, run it back, switch sides.
Okay, okay, one more, okay.
Same training shot.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Sure, whatever.
Same sides? Oh, same sides? Yeah, Charles was saying same side. That kind of makes sense. Low key, it does make sense to literally run it back. So, okay. Nico keeps on getting me.
Right here.
I know. Yeah. What do you want? What do you want me to do? Yep.
Follow me.
Yeah.
Just go mid and we'll split.
Okay. How about I go center? Sorry, I'm going wide. One out, Sam. One out. That's me. I'm on your 6. On your 6. On your 6. Behind me, Sam. On your left. On your left. Oh. I got him, dude. I got him real quick. Oh. That's game. Oh my God. 6 games, dude.
That was it.
Woo!
The last one they just traded, like, I think you hit him in the backpack possibly.
Yep.
The last one I hit him in the backpack
Yep.
and he was aiming at him.
Yep.
I don't know, but I know he hit you because I saw Tracer hit you. I don't know what happened.